guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review on some skincare products from the brand Bliss. It is the Jelly Glow Ball Cleanser and the Triple Oxygen Self-Activating Facial. So if you want to see how these products work, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm filming 5 videos today, so you might see the same hair in every video for the next 5 videos because I'm lazy and I don't want to change it. So anyway, so today, like I said, we're going to be doing a review on some facial products from the brand Bliss. I've never actually tried this brand, but I did see it in Target when I was walking by. So this is the, what is it called? It's the Jelly Glow Ball Radiance Boosting Cleanser, and this retails for $12.99 at Target. Let's see, it's supposed to easily cleanse all the contours of your face. Concentrated formula with nutrient-rich lychee, L-Y-C-H-E-E, extract. Removes all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup. Massages skin to boost surface cell turnover, and it's travel-friendly, no mess, no leaking. Okay, so let's just take this one out. So when you open it up, it comes in this plastic. So it looks like it comes in this, and there's a little thing, I'm assuming, to poke it. That's also in this plastic. Let's read the directions before we go too crazy on this. So, before use, open the plastic case and remove the pick, but do not remove the jelly ball yet. Note it's encased in a balloon seal to preserve it before use. Using the pick, pierce the ball through the hole at the top of the balloon-like seal to open it. Okay, so it says not to take it out of this yet, to use the pick to poke it where it's got, you know, its arrow. And then once you poke it, then it says remove the ball from the seal and then discard the balloon that's around it. So what do I do after use? To maximize use, pat the ball dry, place back into the bottom plastic. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so basically you want to keep this plastic because when you're done using it, you make sure you dry the ball off and then put it back in here, but don't let any water be sitting in here. And then it'll shrink and then you can continue to use it. So I am obviously not in the bathroom, so I have a towel wetted, so I'm going to wet my face using that. Okay, so we're gonna poke the ball. How hard do I poke it? This is, I guess that's enough. I mean, you can feel the balloon part inside, so it doesn't let you go too far. So then take it off, then remove the ball from the seal and discard the balloon. Oh, the balloon's still here. Did I not poke it enough? Great, now I can't find the hole. This sucker is hard to poke because apparently I didn't poke it. Alright, apparently I didn't poke it anywhere. So let's put this back on and we'll try to poke it again. I didn't poke it before. Oh, there, I got it. Okay. You have to really push in on this. So I poked it now. So how do I take off the balloon then? Okay, so then it's got stuff coming out, so I'm assuming I just rub it. Whoa. You know, it said to take off the balloon remnants, but I can't get the balloon remnants off. Alright. So far, this feels like a fail because I can't get it to do what it says I'm supposed to do. I can't get it to discard. I'm gonna just poke it again. Hope for the best, right? So it's like every time I poke, there we go. I got it. Wow, that was, okay. Yeah, this is a whole new sensation. Okay, there's the rest of the balloon. So maybe pop it a couple of times until it literally feels like jelly, because this did not feel like this earlier. I'm just going to use the cloth to wipe it off. Alright, so I would definitely, it says in the directions you can do it one of 2 ways. You can wet your face and then put the ball directly on your skin, or you can wet the ball and lather your hands with it and then use your hands to put it on. It is like the weirdest sensation. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I'm not used to it, so it's uncomfortable, but it's not a bad thing. The pieces of ball did keep coming off, and I didn't think I was being very rough with it, but they did keep coming off, and like my skin feels sticky now. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna move on because I feel like I can't really judge that fully since that's one use. So the next thing I have is this triple oxygen self-activating facial with H2O molecules. So this retails for $19.99. It says it delivers a shot of glow-giving oxygen to instantly energize. It's a facial in a flash. It does it all. It cleanses, exfoliates, detoxes, and stimulates. It leaves the skin nourished in minutes, reveals healthy, super clean, and glowy skin. So basically it looks like this is also another cleanser, but then it obviously, like it said, does more. This is what the bottle of the product itself looks like. This comes with 1.7 fluid ounce. I didn't say that on this one. The jelly ball comes with 3.5 ounces. So you get a lot more out of the jelly. Let's see what the directions are. So it says the element of this is the skin needs oxygen to look its best. Meet the original bubble mask formulated with H2O to activate on contact and replicate our iconic spa facials that takes complexions from dull to drab to brighten and revitalize. Plus green tea and grapeseed antioxidants help boost natural defenses to protect against free radicals and environmental aggressors. Wow, I can't talk today. Directions: massage over damp skin with a full foam until a full foam forms. Then leave on for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to massage it. Oh, it's orange. We're gonna massage it until it foams. It smells like oranges. Okay, so it says to leave this on for 5 minutes, so I will be right. Okay, so this has been on for 5 minutes now, and as you can see, it's completely gone. Like, even when I touch it, I feel like a slight residue, but I don't feel it anymore. But it does say after the 5 minutes to rinse thoroughly, so I re-wetted this and cleaned off all the previous product, so I'm just going to use this to rinse it thoroughly. Oh yeah, and you can see that there is product. It just completely felt like it disappeared. I would say between the two, I actually like the oxygen mask better. I like that this bubbles, which is just a fun feature, but I feel like it did a lot more and it was cleaner and easier to use. Like, my skin feels really nice now. As far as the jelly ball, honestly, I don't think I will use this again. It's really messy. The pieces of the ball keep falling off. Like, that's a piece hanging on right there. That's gross. But it's a cool concept, but to me it's just too messy that I just don't want to deal with it. So I'm actually going to pass on the ball just for the fact of it being messy and I just don't want to deal with it. But I'm actually going to continue trying this. I so far really like this triple oxygen self-activating facial. So let me know if you want me to do a follow-up review on this product after I've used it for a while. It does recommend it to be 2 to 3 times a week to use. So if you want a review, like a follow-up review on this product, let me know in the comments below. But that's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.